All right, thank you, Akivia. Continuing coverage now on how a Gulf Coast mystery was unraveled.
Yeah, yesterday we told you how a DNA lab was able to identify the remains of Tanetta Jackson. She died during Hurricane Katrina, but her remains went unidentified for nearly 2 decades.
WKRG News 5's Asher Red joins us now after speaking with the Pascagoula Police Lieutenant Asher, who's been looking into this case since 2011.
Yeah, well, Lieutenant Darren Versaja says that he was drawn to this case because him and Tanetta Jackson had something in common: Hurricane Katrina.
It is hard to explain. I have more satisfaction doing this kind of work than anything I've ever done in law enforcement. Even taking the murderer off the street, and that's very satisfying to do that.
In 2011, Pascagoula Police Lieutenant Darren Versaja started working to identify the remains of a woman found dead after Hurricane Katrina in 2005. The unknown body was exhumed in February for DNA testing. Versaja says the first step was to allow anthropologists to examine the bones.
You can learn a whole lot from the bones, breaks that maybe have healed, medical implants that have been put in.
Extracts from those bones were then sent to a DNA lab in Texas called Othram.
But what they're doing now with a lot of that, they just grind up those bones and they get the samples from the material.
And then a long process to generate a match begins.
So they do the forensic genealogy, which gives you an ancestry tree. And then from that, they were able to build relatives, and then you contact the relatives and go, are you missing someone? And if you get close enough, somebody's going to say, yeah, I'm missing an aunt, or I'm missing my sister, or I'm missing my daughter. It's not overnight. It's something that has to take a long time.
Eventually, they get a match, the body belonging to 46-year-old Tanetta Jackson. The technology Othram uses to solve cold cases has helped identify 27 unknown bodies in the state of Mississippi.
And I'm telling you, we are solving them left and right now because of this. It's very exciting to be in the line of work that I am now.
Now, while much of his work is related to his job as a Pascagoula police lieutenant, Versaja says he volunteers his efforts to finding the identities of unknown people even outside of his jurisdiction. Live in the studio for now, I'm Asher Red, WKRG News 5.